At Science Post Society, we are a group of interdisciplinary team from, we started during undergraduate and then developed different technologies for bottom of pyramid, and Care Mother is one of the technology that we are going to present today. So over the period, Science Post Technology develops technology, completely new technologies for benefit of society. Then we also provide contract researching, and third, we develop applications for existing material, existing product. These are our focus areas. Well, Science Post Society has a range of products. We start with solar conduction dryer, which is useful for agro-engineering and farmers to dehydrate the food material and increasing the shelf life almost 0 to 6 months. Further, Care Mother, a mobile pregnancy care kit to reduce the maternal mortality. A technology called Haldi Tech, which is to reduce the turmeric processing time from 20 days to a day, and electricity-free egg incubator, which is again a technology for farmers, and wireless technology for precision agriculture. So range of technologies which starts from agro, health, and energy. In last 4 years, we have been recognized by measure of the funding agencies as well as research and development organizations across the world. Recently, USA, that's US Agency for International Development, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, UNESCO, UNEP, UKERI, Bayer. So we have association with them, or we are going to present some project on the grounds in India and Africa, or we are having funding from them. So some are other associations with these organizations. And recently, Care Mother was awarded as a top 10 innovations by DST Lockheed Martin program and recognized by Stanford Graduate School of Business. So I'll start with Care Mother. It's an interesting story which started in our group only. A team member of us, Dr. Sheetal, whose sister lost 2 pregnancies previously, and third time we were trying to give her care from Mumbai, and she was located in Bid district of Maharashtra, very rural region, and we tried with telecare. We gave her care through teleconferencing and calling her and telling her what steps you should take. Further, we realized this problem is not the only problem of a single woman. It's a problem of India, it's a problem of developing world. So every 10 minutes a pregnant woman dies due to pregnancy complications. 90% of them can be saved if taken proper care, but in India there are certain problems about rural healthcare access. And government norms are to achieve at least 4 visits during 0 to 9 months, but 63% women even do not do that because there are a lot of problems over transportation, healthcare access, and the daily wages of the pregnant woman, which she do not want to miss. So here we have a hope to save at least 90% of the death by having proper care at doorstep. Major reasons which covers death during pregnancy are hemorrhage, hypertension, and sepsis. So what we can do so that we can cover these problems, we can prevent them to happen. With our ground research and going on the ground, talking with different gynecologists, different health workers, pregnant women from different areas, we have identified 4 points, which basically talks about increasing the doctor and patient contact, provide remote healthcare access to them, not just remote healthcare access, but how we can perform medical tests at doorstep. Further, can we identify high-risk pregnancies earlier and prevent future complications? And then, most importantly, for the health workers who are on ground, can we increase their, can we empower them, can we give some tools, smart tools, by which they will be able to perform some tests at doorstep as well as identify high-risk pregnancies. So number of tests which can be performed like blood pressure, urine protein, fetal heart rate, blood sugar, fundal height, etc., which tracks mother, their health, and the fetus health as well. Care Mother is basically a portable kit. You may see a mobile app here and a kit which is having a set of devices which can perform medical tests at doorstep, and definitely a web app which can be seen there, so on which doctor can see the data.